You know, it sounds hard to believe, but my favorite part of the day, even over the helicopter, is walking the line. Beautiful sunrise, scenery, nature. Like, does it get any better?
Can I get a fuel check from everybody when
I don't
you
think
get
so.
here?
And now with that said, it is only minus 16 out here today, Celsius, and they're calling for minus 38 Celsius next week. Now for the American folk, minus 38 is close to minus 40, for lack of a better term for argument. And minus 40 Celsius and minus 40 Fahrenheit are the same thing. So as you can imagine, it's pretty cold.